Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Gemini app. First, download the Gemini app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, which is designed for easy navigation and quick access to all its powerful features. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. Now, let's dive into interacting with Gemini. To begin a new conversation, simply tap the plus icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. You can then type your questions or prompts, or use the microphone icon to speak them. Remember to be clear and concise for the most accurate and helpful responses. After Gemini generates a response, take a moment to review it and refine your prompt if necessary to get exactly what you need. Beyond basic conversations, Gemini offers advanced features to enhance your productivity. Explore the extensions to connect Gemini with other Google services, like Gmail or Maps, for integrated assistance. You can also customize your experience by adjusting various settings, such as response length or tone, to better suit your preferences. Don't forget to check your conversation history to revisit past interactions and continue threads. To get the most out of your Gemini app, here are some key tips. Always provide specific and detailed prompts. The more information you give, the better the answer will be. Don't hesitate to experiment with various types of queries, from creative writing to complex problem solving. Finally, remember to provide feedback on Gemini's responses, as this helps improve its performance and makes it even more useful for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.